in a lot of things. I believe in a whole lot of things. Some things that other people don't believe in. I believe in peace here on earth. I believe that you create your energy, like I said before, and a lot of people, they look around, they try to search for, to fit into a certain bubble or a certain entity, like, oh, this is me, or I'm this major, or I am this ethnicity, or this is what I want to be in life, and this is my occupation. But I just believe in being yourself at all times. Don't necessarily go out to get what you want, but still be eager. Let it fall to you. Let it come to you. Your talents and your purpose in life will always come to you.
Do you have any talents?
I have quite a few talents. How do you identify your talent? I'm not too sure. I guess it's something that I look at and I see perfection. A lot of people don't necessarily see perfection on earth. They're like, nothing is perfect. If it's perfect in the eyes of you, then it's perfect. And that's my definition. So it's kind of like my talents and what I do well is to create things. A painter, I like to create jewelry. And my talent is, I guess, to speak, definitely to speak to people and to help them understand who they are. I believe that other people, they also help me understand myself, and that's why I went into the field of being an educator, because it's like you continuously learn. When you stop learning, you're dead, So it's kind of like to continuously create that atmosphere when you're learning and so forth. It's like you have to go interact with other people. I don't see that as a job. I just see it as if it's something like my duty. I'm not too concerned with impacting the world. I believe that every big thing starts out small. So if I can interact with people or even a person per day, then I'm fine with it. As Diverse Images motto is to definitely build a beautiful consciousness, piece by piece, in every individual. I believe that you need to enjoy the process. So my goal and my legacy, if I was to leave, tomorrow, or even, if I was to leave tomorrow, I would just definitely want people to understand themselves. I think we live in a time where we're lost, sadly to say. It's very unfortunate, but sometimes we just don't have an understanding. Instead of being complacent or accepting what's around us, to definitely dig in deep, understand, accept pain for being pain. Don't say, oh, well, I'm hungry, or, well, maybe it's because it's dark outside, or, or the energy is dead, so therefore I feel this way. You feel that way for a certain reason. So I challenge individuals to dig deeper and to really find out about themselves and why they are who they are.